Hello everyone, I am Ezekiel Precious, and on today's video tutorial I'll be showing you how to use the Garmin GPSMap 64X to take waypoints, edit waypoints, and also delete waypoints. First of all, you have to make sure your GPS is on. If it's not switched on, you switch it on. Mine is already on. And the procedure for taking waypoints using this GPS receiver is very simple. You can actually take a waypoint from any page, whether you're on the map page, you're on the compass page, you're on the trip computer page, you're on the elevation plot page, the main menu page, the map page. But I prefer using the map page. All you need to do is to press mark and then you press enter. You've taken the waypoint. You can see the blue flag representing my waypoint. That is how to take a waypoint. You can take as many waypoints as you want. All you need to do, like I said, is to mark, enter. And to edit this waypoint, you need to either go to the waypoint manager and edit it from that page, or you edit it immediately you mark. Let's say we want to take another waypoint. You mark before you enter. You just navigate to the waypoint number, and let's say I don't want this number. I want to label this waypoint room, and then I'll press enter. Then I need to delete this. You go down and select this multiplication sign. It will remove whatever that is there. And now I have to label this waypoint. Room. It's simple to do. It's just like using your cell phone buttons. And now I go to done. You can see that I have already edited my waypoint, the waypoint name. Or in case I just want to write anything, I want to attach a note to it, I can go to note, press enter, and write whatever I want to write. Now I just want to put A, B, C. I go to done. Then I've succeeded in writing something on the note. And in case I also want to change these coordinates, talking of the latitude and the longitude, I can also do it here. All I need to do is to press enter, and then I edit the coordinates. But I don't want to change the coordinates, so I quit. So I'll go to done and press enter. This is how to edit your waypoint. So another way is to go to the map, go to the waypoint manager, like I said before. You go to page, go to main menu, and then you go to waypoint manager. There you will see all the waypoints you have on the GPS receiver. You can see the one we edited already, which is room. Now let's edit this first waypoint. So you press enter, you go to the waypoint number. Press enter again. Then you go to the multiplication sign to delete whatever that is there. And now I want to label it school. Yes, I have succeeded in labeling it school. So I go to done. And in case I also want to attach a note to that particular waypoint, I go to note, go to enter, and this time around I'll put book just to write anything I want. So when I'm through with that, I go to done, and then I press enter. So I've succeeded in editing the waypoint name and also putting something on the note. Like I said, I can also edit the coordinate, which I don't want to do right now. So I go to quit. So you see that we've succeeded in editing that particular waypoint. So this is how to edit a waypoint. Like I said, you can edit the waypoint as you are taking the waypoint. At the points of taking the waypoint, you can edit it, which I did before. And you can also edit the waypoint through the waypoint manager. Now, if I don't need these waypoints on my GPS receiver, maybe for one or two reasons, this is how to delete your waypoint. We are already in the waypoint, on the waypoint manager. But in case you are not on the waypoint manager, let's just assume we are on our map page, and you want to delete your waypoint, all you need to do is to go to the waypoint manager. The waypoint manager is actually where you work with your waypoints, work and manage your waypoints. So we go to waypoint manager. So from the main menu, we go to waypoint manager, press enter. These are my waypoints. And now if you want to delete just a single waypoint, this is what you do. You go to that, navigate to that particular waypoint. Let's assume I want to delete the waypoint highlighted here on the GPS receiver. I'll go to enter. And then I'll go to menu. I'll press delete, enter delete. And then a question will come up. Do you really want to delete waypoint? Say yes. That waypoint is off. And let's also delete this the waypoint we took, which is the room. Press enter. Press menu. You see different options. And then we go to enter and delete it. Say yes. Do you really want to delete waypoint room? Say yes. You can see that the waypoint room have been deleted. But in case you want to delete all the waypoints on your GPS receiver, all you need to do is to go to menu. You will see delete all, and then you press enter, and it's going to ask you the same question again. do you really want to delete all waypoints? You will say yes, because I also actually want to delete all the waypoints on my GPS receiver. So I will say yes. So I've succeeded in deleting all the waypoints from my GPS receiver. No results found. Try adjusting search. But you can see that all the waypoints have been deleted. So this is how we take waypoints, edit waypoints, and also delete waypoints from the Garmin GPSMap 64X. And I hope this video tutorial have helped you, and I also hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. And please share this video and subscribe to my other videos. Thank you very much, and God bless.